So when you start meditating, or if you are completely new to this meditation practice, I will suggest you to start your meditation practice under any master, spiritual master, or your under the guidance of your guru. So that will give you good effect and will give you the strength. But still, to get into this practice, I will share these steps, which is the part of my regular routine. This is just one part of my practice. So I'll share this with you. Your first intention of the meditation practice must be the habit, to build your habit of meditating regularly. That should be the first intention. That should be your aim. And for that, the first very step is find out or decide the place and time. Decide the place where you can sit comfortably, and the time, uninterrupted time, you can decide the time can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Initially you can start literally from 5 minutes. You can just start the timer. If you do this practice today for 5 minutes, increase the time slowly. After 3 days, 4 days, you can reach to the 7 minutes, 10 minutes, and slowly and gradually. Initially you don't have to start meditating practice hours and hours. That is not actually possible in initial days, in initial when you start meditating. So the first very step is decide the time and place. With that, you can choose any music, soothing music, comfortable music. You can just search on YouTube or Google any comfortable music. Find out that one music which connects with you, which tunes with you, and you can download that music. You have to regularly listen to that music, which will give you comfort and a relaxation while listening. Okay, so that is the first step. The second step, sit comfortably. Now, what do I mean comfortably? When you sit comfortably, it means, of course, physical comfort, at the same time mental comfort. Mental comfort means do not resist anything or do not insist on anything. Do not resist your thoughts, let it come, let it flow, and do not try to be calm. It is not about trying. Don't do anything, just sit, just observe. Observe your physical sensations, observe sounds in your surrounding, or you can observe the feeling, observe the breath, anything, but observe, just observe. Do not try to do anything. This is your third step. Now fourth is very important. You have to imagine that there is lid on your top of your head. So you have to open that lid. When you open that lid, imagine all disturbing thoughts are popping out and they are going away from you. Just imagine every disturbing thought is popping out. You can just think about it. Just imaginary, visualize it. Everything is popping out. All disturbing thoughts are popping out. And once you are comfortable, you feel that now it is empty for a day. Okay, when you feel relaxed, now imagine that someone, any god or higher force or universal energy, someone is pouring white, shiny, energetic light pouring inside you when that lid is open. So let that white light fill your body completely. When you feel it is okay, it is comfortable now, you can absorb that light. You can close that lid. Okay, so imagination is important aspect. I do that regularly. I really don't know how much it will helpful for you. It is helpful for me, so I'm just sharing that. You can try this. Imagine the lid, open that lid, let all disturbing thought come out, pop up, and let all disturbing thought come out and go away. And once it is empty, pour the white light and let it fill your body with that white light. When you feel, you have to observe your feeling. When you feel it is okay, comfortable, you can close the lid and back to routine. So let me know in comment box, is this helpful for you? Again, make a note. Actual meditation practice, the deep meditation practice, it is better to do under guidance of spiritual master or guru. Still, to get into that, you can just try this activity and let me know. Thank you so much. This is Shubhada Bhave, teacher, trainer, entrepreneur, and parent.